Oh dear. Got a friggin' double fucking stovepipe the situation today, boys. I need a train trailer. I'll just put a trailer hitch on the back of this trailer and then hook the dump trailer to that. Yeah, it'd be awesome. So skid steer's already there. I'm gonna bring the excavator. Buddy's gonna use it. I'm gonna load the trailer, and then yeah, it'll be awesome. Be pretty sweet if I could learn Jim how to run the tractors too, and then I could, you know, do a shit. But do the old truck transfer here. Have the battery on charge, so hopefully that's capasutic. Mucho juice. Awesome. Ever since I was a little wee lad, having to wheelbarrow and shovel and friggin' dig and bust up concrete by hand and sledgehammers and bars and stuff and this and that with crawdad, I always wanted a tractor. Now I have all kinds of tractors. Lord. Happy he's driving it with his feet, boys. You'll be happy about that. Look at the size of this friggin' piece of concrete. Good Lord. Okay, I go. Scored another big hunk of concrete. Okay. Scores. Perfect. Look at how perfectly that ended up. Decent.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you, man.
Right on, yeah, thank you.
I watch
Appreciate
your videos
it.
all the time.
Right on, man.
Have a good day.
You too. Appreciate it. Well, we made her back somewhere along the words. My battery died, but we got her. Look at that son of a bitch. It's the same model as the Donecker, eh? It's the same make and model. Yeah, I apologize, but yeah, it's a long day. Long day playing tractor, lockine. Oh dear, what time is it? 8:30, just in time to make a thumbnail for my movie. For sakes. But when I was out, a little bit of a package showed up. Oh, well. Oh, look at that. Just f***ed me. Just f***ed me right in the ass. Oh. Son of... Holy shit. I was all sighted, now I'm choked. What do you know about that, eh? Right on. So I guess we'll use this one as a dumpster. Oh, wait till you see what I got though, boys. Yeah, boys. Is it like a 4th gen or it's like a 2022 friggin' center console anyways. With the triplet friggin' cup holders into her. It's going right in stickly. It's got friggin' USB in the interior there, so that's cool. Little stupid coin thing. Oh, it's pretty awesome. Pretty friggin' awesome, boys. Hey, but anyways, boys, my new one, friggin' rates, and yeah. Buddy says he's got all type of works for me. I didn't f*** up too bad. He wants me to come back Monday, so scores. I don't know, put that center console in, maybe we'll do that tomorrow, who knows. I apologize, but anyways, boys, stovepipe.